Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best tote organizer insert with a laptop sleeve, the OMYSTYLE purse organizer insert. If you're someone who loves carrying a tote but hates the chaos inside, this organizer might just be your new best friend. The OMYSTYLE purse organizer is designed to transform your handbag from a cluttered mess into a perfectly organized space. Crafted from a premium felt material blend of 10% wool and 90% polyester, this organizer is lightweight yet sturdy. It provides gentle care to both your items and your bag, ensuring your belongings stay protected while maintaining the shape of your tote. One of the standout features of this organizer is its thoughtful design with 13 compartments spread across 5 different sizes. This means you can neatly arrange everything from your phone and keys to makeup and chargers, including a dedicated laptop sleeve that fits comfortably inside larger totes. The variety of compartments allows you to maximize your bag's space and find your essentials quickly without any digging. For those who carry valuables or items needing extra security, the OMYSTYLE organizer includes a separate zippered compartment. This provides peace of mind and easy access to important items like your wallet or documents. The zipper is sturdy and built to last, ensuring that your valuables remain safe. This organizer is also versatile when it comes to size options. It comes in multiple sizes including medium, large, extra large, and more, so you can choose the perfect fit for your tote, whether it's a Longchamp, Neverfull, Speedy, or other popular handbag styles. Its pliable and soft felt material means it adapts well to different bag shapes without adding bulk. Installation is a breeze. The organizer slides right into your tote and stays securely in place, thanks to its structured yet flexible build. It keeps your tote looking stylish and functional without weighing it down. Plus, the neutral color options, like black and beige, complement most handbag interiors, making it an attractive addition rather than an eyesore. OMYSTYLE has built a solid reputation since 2012 for combining fashion and function. This organizer is no exception, bringing both convenience and style to your daily carry. Whether you're a professional who carries a laptop or someone who just wants a tidy handbag, this insert is designed to elevate your everyday experience. In summary, the OMYSTYLE purse organizer insert offers excellent compartmentalization, durable construction, and compatibility with many handbag styles. It protects your belongings, keeps your tote's shape intact, and makes finding your essentials effortless. If you're ready to upgrade your tote bag's organization, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.